Good morning. Good morning. It's about 5:30 a.m. right now, and I'm excited because today after work, I'm going to Costco, and I've been seeing on social media that they have some pretty nice citrus trees. So I'm gonna go and check it out. I'll probably pick up a few other things for the family, and yes, Costco. I just made it to Costco. It's after work, and this is definitely my favorite errand to run. I like to think of myself as a responsible Costco shopper, but I don't know if there's such a thing. But I at least try to come away with 80% necessity over want. I think for the most part, I do get that. I definitely don't go away with like hundreds of dollars worth of things that I wanted instead of things that I actually need. So I don't know. Now I'm a little worried because I am not seeing the citrus trees. Uh, oh, I think there's some stuff over there, but I don't know. I don't see citrus trees. That's that's one of the main things I was excited for. Around this time, Costco also puts out their spring and gardening stuff. I love to see all those things. Sucks, I didn't see any citrus trees, but they do have these flowering peach tree, and I think that's all it does, just flowers. Well, that sucks. I guess I didn't find a citrus tree, but um, let's go see what else is new. I really thought I was gonna get to take home a citrus tree today, but they didn't have them. So maybe they're just not there yet. I really hope that they actually do show up at my local Costco, but it wasn't there. And instead, they had other plants, and none of which I wanted. So I don't know. We'll try again, maybe sometime in the near future. But yeah, that's it. Oh, you know what? I was eyeing that foldable picnic bench, and that seemed like a pretty good price. So I don't know. Maybe we'll pay another visit in the near future and get one of those. and I think they are around the same price range as the citrus trees. So instead of a citrus tree, I might come away with a foldable picnic bench. Yeah, so that was my day. I'm about to sign off here. Go have some dinner and go spend some time with the little booger. Hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and follow for more videos.